How to verify Venmo bank account in 2023. My name is Adi and I will walk you through on how to verify Venmo bank account. It's not something difficult, it's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to verify a Venmo bank account, okay? So just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video and don't panic. As I told you, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to do it or to verify Venmo bank account, okay? So now I am going to my phone so I can show you how you can do it. So just go to your phone and go and open a Venmo app directly, okay? Okay, so after opening your Venmo app, what you need to do is you're gonna find this page. So you just need to click on the three lines here. Just click on them. Okay, after clicking on the three lines, you're gonna find this page. You're gonna find home, Venmo card, purchases. But anyways, what matters to us is transfer balance, okay? So just click on transfer balance. Okay, after clicking on transfer balance, you have here bank verification and you can choose if you want instant verification or manual verification. So if you chose instant verification, you're gonna sign in to your bank, okay? You're gonna sign in to your bank to instantly verify your bank account. But if you chose manual verification, you're gonna use your bank's routing number and account number, okay? So when you're gonna choose instant verification, here you need to enter which bank you are using, okay? You just need to select it from here, or if you didn't find it here, you just need to search for it on the search bar, okay? And after, just select the bank that you are using and then enter your login info. And after entering your login info, congrats, you just did it. You just verified your Venmo bank account. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to verify Venmo bank account. That would be it and I will see you in the next video.